महाराष्ट्रीयन खाद्य संस्कृतीत असा एक पदार्थ आहे की त्याच्याशिवाय सकाळचा नाश्ता पूर्णच होऊ शकत नाही. कांदे पोहे हा तो पदार्थ. महाराष्ट्रात नाश्त्यासाठी कांदे पोहे हा खूप प्रसिद्ध आहे. लहानापासून ते मोठ्यापर्यंत बहुतेक सगळ्यांचा आवडता कांदे पोहे या प्रकाराला मराठी समाजात एक वेगळं स्थान आहे. स्वयंपाकघरात उपलब्ध असणाऱ्या सामग्रीपासून झटपट तयार होणारा हे पदार्थ आरोग्यासाठी देखील पौष्टिक आहे. पोह्यामध्ये कार्बोहायड्रेट भरपूर असल्याने ही पौष्टिक नाश्ता खाऊन दिवसाची सुरुवात केल्यास तर तुमचा संपूर्ण दिवस कसा शानदार जातो.
Hello, welcome to Viji's Time and Space. Today I'm going to prepare kande pohe. There sure must be many versions and tips to get the authentic taste of kande pohe. But here I'm showing the simple way that I normally prepare it. No matter whichever version you go with, one thing remains the same. That is, this is a super easy and quick recipe to make for breakfast, especially for something this delicious.
Here I have taken 2 cups of thick quality of poha or flattened rice, 3 to 4 green chilies sliced thinly, 1 inch piece of ginger, that too sliced finely, curry leaves, half lemon juice, 2 tablespoon coriander leaves, salt, mustard seeds or rye, jeera or cumin seeds, turmeric powder, one tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon chana or gram dal, three tablespoon peanuts or shengdana, two tablespoon grated coconut, and the most important 3 medium-sized onions thinly sliced. Before you start with anything else, wash the poha in running water and then keep it aside in a strainer. Do not soak the poha in water or else it might turn soggy. Thinly slice 3 medium-sized onions, a piece of ginger and 3 to 4 green chilies. In a pan, heat up a little oil, add mustard seeds. Once it starts crackling, add cumin seeds. Now add the chana dal and the peanuts. Roast it until the peanuts start developing a good color. Add the ginger and green chilies. Keep stirring. Add thinly sliced onions and a bit of salt along with it. This gets the onions cooked faster. Keep stirring. Add curry leaves, mix well and saute until the onions are translucent. Add a tablespoon of sugar. Once the onions are done, add turmeric powder, and the poha that was set aside earlier. Mix gently everything and combine well. Now add the grated coconut and chopped coriander leaves 2 tablespoons each and mix well. Cover and cook for more 2 to 3 minutes for the poha to absorb the flavorings. Off the flame and check for the salt. Now squeeze the juice of half a lemon over it and mix gently. Adjust the salt if required. Tempting and delicious kande pohe is ready. Sprinkle a little love and serve hot. The coriander leaves infuses a fresh flavor and peanuts are great for adding that crunchy texture to the poha. You can even top it with bhujia sev. It makes more tastier and crunchier. Above all, it's important to get the texture of the poha right. It needs to be soft and fluffy and not mushy or dried out. So, ensure not to soak the poha in water. Instead, only rinse it and immediately strain out all the water and keep aside covered. Even though we all keep saying it's a breakfast recipe, but kanda poha makes for a great evening snack too. Especially if you are expecting guests, this is a super quick, easy and enticing dish to whip up. Thank you for watching.